Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to find your order number on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to find your order number just because you need support with it. How do you actually go ahead and find that order number? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. The first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our eBay icon. And then on the bottom left hand side, you want to click on My eBay. Once you've done so, you're going to see a list of buttons here. Go ahead and click on purchases and your order history. So once you click on purchases and your order history, you're going to see a list of purchases that you've made in the past. Go ahead and click on cabin air filters, or basically any item that you want to find the order number for. So if I click this item here, you can see when the order was placed, the order number, the total, and who it was sold by. So the order number will be towards the top of the screen. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your order number on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.